We're incredibly proud to achieve 3 stars with the SRA rating. It gives us that transparency that we're doing the right thing. Pasture is a celebration of fire, meat and music. We put huge emphasis on the ingredients that we buy. We've got lots and lots of theatre, from dry aging fridges to bars. Our staff have lots of energy and try and create the best possible experience for our customers.
We are very mindful of how we approach food waste at Pasture. We like to reuse where possible, recycle where possible and reduce where possible. The anaerobic digester breaks down food waste, reducing the amount of waste that goes to incineration. So sourcing is very important to us. We know most people visit us for our great tasting steaks, but what's important to us is that we have the best vegetables alongside.
Buttercliff Farm is based in Long Ashton in Bristol. It's right where I live and keeps seasonality at the forefront of the business.
To give you an idea of what's on the farm, we have 300 asparagus plants. If you were to go into our polytunnels, you're going to find beautiful padron peppers, chilies, lettuce, incredible heritage tomatoes, amongst other things. I think when it comes to the rating, what's really been inspiring for me personally is the effect it's had on my staff. Now I've actively got staff coming to me with ideas and going, what about this, what about that, can we do something about it, can we change this? And I think that's huge because staff are clearly inspired by it and it means they are now thinking about it themselves.
It has been amazing to see Pasture Cardiff follow through on their Food Cardiff pledge to become an accredited Sustainable Restaurant Association member. There's so many great things going on in businesses in Cardiff, and we would really love to see other businesses make a pledge, become accredited and really showcase the work that they're doing.